I'm Grigori, and today we're gonna cook these faces, and we're gonna start. Okay. We put first face is ready. We put it here. Okay. Second face. Here, guys, and the second I do with the spoon this like this this circles, and then we're gonna do the same with this, with the other. And then we're gonna put in oil, and we're gonna put it with oil like this. With the brush, we're gonna do it with oil. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes and 180 the temperature. I'm going to take this of the oven. The cookies are ready, but we need to but they looks too boring. And I have an idea. Today we're gonna put the ice like this. And there's the cookies, but it's not. We have the jam. Okay. Put in the mouth like this. And then on the head.